Hi, my name's Cassie. I'm here today with Superdrug, creating a glitter zip look for Halloween. I've used the B Flawless Silk Foundation today in shade C3, and I've used a Rimmel eyebrow pencil for my brows. So I have my B liner, which I'm going to be using along with the zip today. The B liner I will be using to outline where the zip needs to go. Right, let's try this. We're just going to position it into a comfortable place. I've chosen a pink colour here just because I'm going to be using some really funky pink glitter for this look. Okay, and there you have it, that's your outline. I'm going to be using this B blush in the shade Cheeky. This will be used as a base colour for when I pack the glitter on later. So I'm using quite a dense brush here, just because the dense brushes tend to pack on colour a little bit better. So as you get to the eye area and further down, you might want to change your brush into something a little bit smaller. This is going to make it so much easier for getting into the little areas. And making sure to pack it on quite heavy here as well, just so the base colour is really strong. And there you have it. I've got a collection glitter glue here, alongside some Barry M glitters. These I'll be using together. It's always important to use a glitter glue when you can, as this is what's going to hold your glitter in place all day. So I'm going to start by packing on a little bit of this glitter glue, not too much. And I'm going to start from the bottom. So before this dries, I'm going to start with the glitter. You don't have to be overly neat, because obviously the zip is going to just neaten up those edges and cover it all up for us. Okay, so I've reached about halfway. I'm going to go in with another colour now, just to give it a little something something. So if you have sensitive eyes, you might want to be careful putting too much glitter around the area. You might want to pack it on a little bit lighter, just so it doesn't feel too irritated or anything. And there you have it, that's the glitz finished. And now it's time to apply the zip. I've already applied some duo lash glue onto my face. As you can see, you might find a few bits where there's some extra glitter to be added, but that's fine, you can do that afterwards. You just need to make sure that zip is nice and comfortable and in place. So it's just if there's any little areas that you feel like need a little touch up, this is your chance to do it. So the zip's finally in place. Now it's time to pop on a little bit of liner just to finish that eye look. I'm going to be using Rimmel Exaggerate, which is very, very black, so it's going to stand out really, really well. And now I'm going to be using the Rimmel Scandaleyes Wow Wings Mascara. This is just going to give my eyes just that little pop they need where the glitter's on. So keeping in with the pink theme at the moment, I'm going for the Pink Shimmer MUA highlighter. I absolutely love this one. For my lips, I'm going to be using a Rimmel liquid lipstick called Heartbeat. And to finish off this look, I've got something very exciting. It's Rimmel's new Halloween tattoos. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out my next video, which is how I'll finish off my hair for this look.